everyone, just a very quick video. We are going to be replacing the reversing lights on the old L322. See here, this one's all cracked and this one's going as well. So I've picked up a couple of new ones, well, new to me but second hand, off of eBay. Now these were a bit of a bargain because normally these are 60 quid each, and I picked up these two for £23. So I'm just going to whip them out, put them in place. Very easy, just a crosshead there and there, lift them up. You can see by the previous one here, which is that side, they just clip in at the bottom there and then screwed in at the top. So we'll start with the one nearest the camera, just a simple crosshead. These aren't LEDs, I don't like those, they're just too bright. They MOT as well. Oh, keep that safe. Lift this up, and you see it, it's hoist holder. There we go, got that out. There's the new one. We've got a bulb holder in, but there's no bulb on this. The seal looks all good. It's okay. And then just replace it. There we go. Pop that in there. You'll see it's a plastic insert, so we don't want to over tighten this. Pop the screw in the top. Looks a good one. Do the same on the other side. Screw this up. See, that one's actually broke already, so yeah. A little bit of plastic. So same procedure, twist, pop that out. There's a new one. Insert that in there. Clean around. It's very good actually there. Pop that in there. Screw in. Done. Alright, these two can now go in the bin. Start it up. Brilliant. Job's a good one. Well, thanks for watching everyone. Very simple little short video, but I think you'll agree that looks miles better now. Jobbed. Cheerio for now. Like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you in the next one.